Hi, this is Rajeshwari, Assistant Professor of English. Here we are going to discuss Australian Aboriginal mythology, Djanggawul Song Cycle, Song 1. Let's get into the session. The Djanggawul Song Cycle narrates or tells in 188 songs. It is the journey of three ancestral beings, a brother and two sisters, in a region in Australia. In Yolngu mythology, the Djanggawul are three siblings, two female and one male, who created the landscape of Australia and covered the place with flora or the plants. Yolngu means persons in the Yolngu languages, the persons who speak Yolngu languages. Around 40 Yolngu languages are there. These Yolngu are the group of indigenous Australian people of northeastern Arnhem Land. These indigenous Australian people inhabiting northeastern Arnhem Land in the Northern Territory of Australia. Arnhem Land is one of the 5 regions of the Northern Territory of Australia. It is actually located in the northeastern corner of the territory. Djanggawul sisters are the aboriginal goddesses, the dual goddess of fertility and procreation or reproduction. And they were the daughters of the sun. These daughters of the sun gave birth to all the plants and animals and humans. They had sacred objects along with them, which had magical powers. Once, their magical power objects were stolen from them by the men. Name of the elder sister is Biljiwura Roju and the younger sister is Miralich. And Djanggawul is the name of their brother. Djanggawul siblings came from the island of Baralku or Bralgu and they were finally eaten by Geleru. Based on Yolngu culture, Baralku or Bralgu is the island of the dead, and it's believed that Djanggawul sisters were originated from that island, the island of the dead. As per Yolngu mythology, it is believed that Baralku or Bralgu is located at the east of Arnhem Land. Barnumber is the creator spirit, and as per this mythology, this Yolngu mythology, Barnumber is also said to live on the island Baralku. This Barnumber is the morning star and who is identified as the planet Venus. In Yolngu mythology, Djanggawul sisters were guided by this morning star or this creator spirit called Barnumber during their journey to Australia. It is believed that Barnumber is lived on the island and then rises into the sky as Venus. And I told you earlier that Djanggawul sisters or Djanggawul siblings came from the island of Baralku and they were finally eaten by Geleru. Geleru is a mythical giant rainbow snake from Arnhem Land in northern Australia. Geleru symbolized the continuation of life on earth. This serpent or this snake swallowed the Djanggawul sisters. According to this Yolngu mythology, it was the Djanggawul sisters who gave the landscape its shape and vegetation. They were the ancestral beings in the mythology of the Dua Moiti. Dua Moiti is the ritual group of Yolngu people. The Djanggawul myth specifically concerned the Dua Moiti of people lived in northeast Arnhem Land. The principal role of the Djanggawul was as creators. These Djanggawul sisters were the creators of the northeastern Arnhem Land. So the first human ancestors of the northeastern Arnhem Land people were said to be born from the sisters. According to this mythology, men steal sacred objects from the Djanggawul so that the power of those sisters also goes with them. It is also believed that women as the original source of power and knowledge. The song 1 portrays the male sibling of the Djanggawuls paddling along with two female sisters from Baralku. Djanggawul siblings were traveling across the sea to the northeast. They were moving through the roaring tides. Tides means the upward and downward movement of the level of the ocean. And they were traveling through the rough sea with huge waves following them. They took some rest in the middle of their journey. Later, with the help of the light from the morning star, they continued their journey. The light, or shining, falls on their paddles and lighting their way. They were guided by the morning star to reach the Annam land. Throughout their journey, the morning star has shown the right path to them. This is the song 1 of Djanggawul Cycle. This cycle represents the oral tradition and it tells about the fertility and procreation and the relations between men and women. So that's all. I hope this session would be helpful for your studies. Thank you.